Hello everyone, how are you? How are you, Kanika, Nishant, Sana, Chunky, शिवानी? वीडियो ऑन करो। शिवानी कहाँ है? शक्ल नहीं दिख रही तुम्हारी। दीपक,
ओके मैम।
अजय, सिद्धार्थ, ज्योतिष्णा, श्रेया, so sweet, such a beautiful girl, good girl.
थैंक यू मैम।
Thank you for switching on the video. हाँ, ये आज ये सोनल कहाँ गायब हो गई है? और वो लास्ट क्लास में जो लड़के थे वो कहाँ गए सब?
मैम जो सोनल है वो दूसरे बैच में है, सो वो
अच्छा,
इसमें नहीं है।
तो वो ये वाले बैच में नहीं।
42 में। हाँ जी।
ओके, तो वो जो सोनल एंड वो जो वो दूसरे हमारे थे बॉयज और गर्ल्स, वो दूसरा बैच है।
वो दूसरा बैच।
अच्छा, सो दिस इज, आई थिंक तुम लोगों के साथ में आई हैड वन सेशन, राइट निशान? हाउ आर यू डूइंग चंकी? आप कैसे हैं?
हेलो मैम।
हेलो हेलो, हाउ आर यू निशांत?
I'm doing well, ma'am. Am I audible?
यस, यू आर वेरी मच ऑडिबल, थैंक यू सो मच। तो शिवानी, लेकिन अभी गाने तो गाने पड़ेंगे हम लोगों को, जो हम दूसरे वाले बाज में बहुत सारा फन करते हैं। तुम इतना सीरियस हो निशांत, तुम्हारी स्माइल कैसी है? कैन आई सी योर स्माइल? वाओ, दैट यू लुक हैंडसम। चंकी, कैन आई सी योर स्माइल? दैट्स गुड, दैट्स द स्पिरिट। ये इतना सीरियस है करके क्या करना है यार, जिंदगी इतनी सीरियस है, कम चैलेंजेस है। तो निशांत, रूल ये है कि गाना गाना बहुत जरूरी है। गाना, रैप, एनीथिंग दैट यू फील लाइक डूइंग इन माय क्लास, because we are not going to study, and since we are not studying, so we are doing anything but study, right? Okay, so we will have let's start with Shivani, and then Sana will sing, and then Chunky will. Okay, अरे हो जाएगा। अभी तुम सुनो। हाँ शिवानी
मैम।
अरे गुड गर्ल, यूर अ गुड स्पॉट, इतना सुंदर सा गाती हूँ। गा दो।
कौन सा? अब आप
कौन सा वाला मैं बताओ यार? ये थोड़े से इस क्लास में ना अंग्रेज ज्यादा है, तो तुम अंग्रेजी वाला ही गा दो। तुम बढ़िया सा गाती हो। जो पीच गाया था तुमने, पीच वाज योर सॉन्ग।
वो
सना ने गाया था। तुमने कौन सा गाया था? लीव द डोर ओपन। किस? हाँ देखो, मुझे गाना भी याद है। अच्छा तो छोड़ो, तो तुम हिंदी वाला गाओ। वो जन्म तुम्हारा नहीं था।
मेरा
नहीं, तुम्हारा कौन सा वाला था? अभी मैं कंफ्यूज हो गई हूँ। देखो, नाम नहीं लिखा है मैंने गाने के आगे। गाओ ना। जरा देखो, इसके बाद ज्योतिष्णा गाने वाली है। जरा ज्योतिष्णा बहुत अच्छा है। जरा मुझे भी बड़ा अच्छा लगता है ये।
जरा कौन सा वाला है? जरा बहुत सारे हैं।
नहीं शिवानी, तुम वो गाओ जो तुम्हें याद है, प्लीज बच्चे, ठीक है?
ओके मैम।
गाओ ना यार, कम ऑन। मैं तुम्हें बताऊं तुमने कौन से गाए थे। देखो, तुमने उस दिन ये किसने गाया था? अपना पहले सी बातें हैं।
ये मेरा नहीं है।
ये तुम्हारा नहीं है ना? याद नहीं मुझे। उस दिन का मैंने पेज निकाला है डायरी का, जिसमें तुम लोग थे क्लास में। गाओ ना सना, गाओ ना शिवानी।
एक मिनट मैम, एक बार सर्च कर लो।
तुम सर्च करो, वी हैव अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम विद अस। सना, तुम भी सर्च करके रखना, नहीं तो पीचेस तुम गा रही हो। पीचेस नहीं, सना तुमने कौन से गाया था? कोई लड़की, वीडियो तो ऑन रखना है शिवानी। ये भी गायब हो जाएंगे सब लोग, ठीक है? फिर क्लास बहुत बोरिंग हो जाएगी। सना, कैन यू स्विच ऑन योर वीडियो?
मैम सना का भी वाईफाई का कुछ प्रॉब्लम चल रहा है। वहाँ पर कोई पेड़ वेड़ गिर गया था। अभी थोड़ी देर के लिए वो नेट नहीं चलेगा।
अच्छा, थोड़ी देर के लिए नेट नहीं चलेगा, थोड़ी देर के बाद वो ज्वाइन कर लेगी। ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम। राहुल चौहान, कैन आई सी योर वीडियो? अजय, शिवम, Kanika. Wow, Shreya, you're looking so beautiful. Shreya, तुमने last time हाय, गुड आफ्टरनून। तुमने इंट्रोडक्शन दिया था मुझे श्रेया?
Ma'am, this is my first class with you.
That's why बच्चे I could gauge कि मैंने तुम्हें नहीं जानती हूँ मैं. Can you give me a brief introduction of yours? Your name, where are you from? How many people are there in your family? What have you done? Your education? What are your passion? And what are your hobbies? ये सब कुछ बताना.
Hello everyone, my name is Shreya Aruna and I'm from Gurgaon, and I completed my graduation in 2019, and it was in master in marketing and management of insurance, and then I appeared for CFA level 1, and I'm aspiring to be in the field of finance. That's why I've joined the course, and I'll be also giving my level 1 attempt of CFA in coming November. And other than that, I like to cook, draw, and
Oh wow, you like cooking. So what all you cook?
Basically something randomly, baking and
अच्छा,
Italian.
bake करती हो? Italian, pizza, pasta.
Yes.
और डांस कौन सा करती हो तुम?
I don't dance.
अभी तो तुमने कहा sometimes dancing. What वो
No,
sometimes में क्या था?
I learned to play sitar, and I learn it again. So I like
That's
it.
amazing. So you have sitar at home?
No, I don't have a sitar at home. I used to play it in schools. So I
अच्छा, you used to play sitar
later in life.
That's cool. तो फिर हम क्या देख सकते हैं? गाना गाती हो? थोड़ा कभी-कभी? एक आधी तो आता है, हाँ? एक गुड वॉइस तो किसकी होती है? किसी की भी अच्छी वॉइस नहीं होती. हम लोग कोई भी इंडियन आइडल में नहीं जा रहे.
नहीं याद रहते सुन song. I cannot sing a song.
अच्छा, ठीक है. So you will have to get your sitar, or you will have to find something for us. Okay, Shivani, you there? Who all are there in your family, Shreya?
My mother, father, and my younger brother. I live in a joint family.
Okay.
They're
So what does your younger brother do?
He's in 8th class right now.
He's in 8th class. Very nice. You're so beautiful. I want you to switch on your video so that I can feel good. Sing. And अभी ये शिवानी भी वीडियो ऑन ही रखेगी. Don't worry. इसको थोड़ा गाना गाते समय थोड़ी सी शर्म आती है. हाँ शिवानी. Yes. सब बता देती हूँ मैं. चलो गाओ.
Okay, ठीक है. कहीं तो होगी वो दुनिया जहाँ तू मेरे साथ, जहाँ मैं, जहाँ तू, और जहाँ बस तेरे मेरे जज्बात है. होगी जहाँ सुबह तेरी पलकों की किरणों में, लोरी जहाँ चांद की सुन. Sorry मैम.
Lovely, beautiful. फिर से once again. फिर से फील तो आने दो.
भैया जी कह रहे गाना.
तुम भैया जी से बोलो इंट्रोडक्शन में गाना ही होता है. ये सिंगिंग क्लास है. सुनाओ.
ओके मैम, ठीक है. कहीं तो होगी वो दुनिया जहाँ तू मेरे साथ है, जहाँ मैं, जहाँ तू, और जहाँ बस तेरे मेरे जज्बात हैं. होगी जहाँ सुबह तेरी पलकों की किरणों में, लोरी जहाँ चांद की सुन तेरी बाहों में.
Lovely, beautiful. Thank you, Shivani. Thank you so much. अब तुम वीडियो ऑन कर लो. एकदम मस्त तुमने गाना गाया. Chunky, now I want to hear a rap. Be a sport. Unmute करो, कुछ सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है हमें. नहीं, मन तो होता ही नहीं है. मन कहाँ होता है? मन की चॉइस नहीं है तो मैं डिलीट कर दूंगी मैं यहाँ क्लास में से. है ना शिवानी? Am I right? अनम्यूट करके बोलो शिवानी, सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है।
यस मैम।
यस
ब्रेक हो रही है मैं।
श्रेया समझ रही हो ना तुम? आवाज ब्रेक नहीं हो रही है, वीडियो ऑफ करो और गाना शुरू करो, फिर आवाज एकदम बराबर आ जाएगी चंकी।
अभी ठीक है मैम।
हाँ अभी ठीक है, तो बस सुनाओ। तो फर्स्ट क्लास लेकिन आवाज नहीं आ रही चंकी हमें। हाँ
One hour it or let it slip. Yo, his palms are sweaty, knees weak, arms are heavy. There's vomit on his sweater already. Mom's spaghetti, his nerves, but on the surface it looks calm and ready to drop bombs. But he keeps on forgetting what he wrote down. The whole crowd goes so loud. He opens his mouth, but the boots won't come out. He's joking how everybody's joking now. The clock's on out, thumbs up over glass, snap back to reality. Up there goes gravity, up there goes gravity. Choke his don't have it. He won't give that will home. Back to the better go rapture what this moment, go get past them. Look and moment, you own it, better never let it go, 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 go. One shot, will not miss a chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime, you better.
वाह वाह, वेरी नाइस वेरी नाइस।
वो समझ नहीं आया।
नहीं नहीं बहुत अच्छा गाया है, थैंक यू सो मच। निशान तुम पहले आ चुके हो मेरी क्लास में? Can you unmute yourself, Nishan?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh?
This is my second class.
This is your second. तुमने गाना गाया था लास्ट क्लास में? तो बस सुना दो।
No, ma'am.
सुना दो सुना दो।
No, ma'am. I think ये सब जो गाना या रैप कर रहे हैं ये इनकी हॉबीज हैं. And last class I told you my hobby is analyzing stock market. I can give you the level.
Analyzing stock market. Yes, yes. मुझे याद आ गया। देखो क्या है ना निशान, एक याद आ गया मुझे। देखो क्या है ना निशान, एक तुम्हें इंटरेस्टिंग सी बात बताती हूँ। हाँ, it might work for you, it might not work for you. क्या होता है कि हम लोग जो होते हैं ना, especially in your age, क्या होता है, we get attracted towards a person. Maybe we get attracted towards a girl or a girl attracted towards a boy. And what are we looking at when we get attracted towards a person? When we say कि ना अभी वो मेरा जो बॉयफ्रेंड था वो चला गया, या वो मेरी जो गर्लफ्रेंड थी वो चली गई, अब वो नहीं है, अब मुझे वो दूसरी नहीं मिलेगी। हम जब ये कह रहे होते हैं ना कि हमें वो नहीं मिलेगी, तो पता है हम एक्चुअली क्या कह रहे होते हैं? हम कह रहे होते हैं कि हमें वो कॉम्बिनेशन नहीं मिलेगा जो उस लड़की में था। वो लड़की इंटेलिजेंट भी थी और वो लड़की गाना भी बहुत अच्छा गाती थी, या वो लड़की ये भी थी और वो भी थी। तो देखो तुम ये भी तो हो, अब तुम वो भी सीख लो, है ना?
Okay.
So that's very nice, very good, Nishan. Thank you so much. इस क्लास में और कौन है जिसने मेरी पहले क्लास अटेंड नहीं करी है? शिवम, were you there in my class earlier? शिवम, आप थे लास्ट क्लास में? वीडियो ऑन करें, वीडियो ऑन करें। हाँ
मैम पता नहीं वीडियो ऑन क्यों नहीं हो पा रहा है, ऑन तो कर रहा
यार
हूं।
ये कैसा वीडियो है तुम्हारा जो ऑन नहीं हो पा रहा है शिवम?
मैम लिटरली मैम नेटवर्क बहुत ज्यादा इशू है, पता नहीं क्यों।
लिटरली तुम कहाँ पर हो?
कहाँ पर हो?
हाँ लिटरली कहाँ पर है आप?
मैम होता तो कर देता मैम।
अच्छा नहीं, आप है कहाँ पर? मतलब कि आप दिल्ली से बोल रहे हैं, कहाँ से बोल रहे हैं आप?
अभी मैं पटना हूँ मैम।
हाँ तभी तो देखो, इसीलिए तो पटना इतनी दूर है, तो कैसे शक्ल दिखेगी तुम्हारी हमें? इतनी दूर जो तुम बैठे हुए हो, पटना में बैठे हुए हो। तो तुमने लास्ट क्लास अटेंड करी थी शिवम?
हाँ जी मैम
करी थी। तो
Yes,
भाई
ma'am.
एक गाना तो सुना दो तुम शिवम।
मैम गाना?
अरे फर्स्ट क्लास, जियो मेरे भाई, गुड।
मैम मुझे टाइम चाहिए।
तुम्हें चार टाइम? टाइम ही तो नहीं है जिंदगी में, टाइम है क्या किसी के पास में? कहाँ है टाइम? देखो श्रेया कह रही है मेरे पास भी टाइम नहीं है मैम, बहुत
Yes,
सारे
ma'am.
काम करने हैं मुझे।
गिव मी 2 minutes आई विल।
अच्छा 2 minutes given, okay. Yes, Kanika, how are you doing, Kanika? Kanika, are you there in my class? Kanika, Kanika, are you there? Ajay, are you there? Kanika और अजय, हाँ मैं, अच्छा किया अजय तुमने बोल दिया, मैं तुम्हें बस हटाने वाली थी क्लास से।
अरे
हाँ।
नहीं मैम।
अरे नहीं, क्या करे, तुम लोग बोलते ही नहीं हो तो हटाना पड़ेगा मुझे। क्या कर रहे हो अजय, कैसे हैं आप?
बस चल रहा है मैम, आज तो वर्किंग है।
आज वर्किंग है, कहाँ पर हो?
अभी मैं इंदौर में हूँ मैम।
अरे इंदौर में हो तुम, और कहाँ पर जॉब करते हो अजय?
आईसीआईसीआई बैंक।
क्या करते हो आईसीआईसीआई बैंक में?
अभी मैं ई रिलेशनशिप मैनेजर हूँ।
अच्छा हाँ, आई थिंक यू टोल्ड मी अबाउट इट, ये
जी
रिलेशनशिप में मुझे याद आ गया। तुम लास्ट टाइम भी शायद ऑफिस में ही बैठे हुए थे ना?
नहीं, लास्ट टाइम घर पे था, अभी ऑफिस पे।
अच्छा, तो मुझे कोई और भी ये रिलेशनशिप मैनेजर इसका मतलब मिला है। हाँ, तो तुम गाना सुना रहे हो अजय में? 2 लाइनें।
गाना?
हाँ गुड, जल्दी से। अब वो मत बोलना उसकी तरह, वो किसको 2 मिनट चाहिए थे अभी, कोई तो चला गया, गायब हो गया।
अरे मैम, मेरा वॉइस तो बहुत बेकार
अरे
है।
कोई बेकार वॉइस, यहाँ पे कौन से तुम्हें इतने अच्छे इंडियन आइडल्स नजर आ रहे हैं? इट इज फॉर फन, इट इज फॉर गुड एनर्जीज। क्विक।
ओके मैम, 2 लाइन जो
हाँ
याद है
बस
वही गा।
बस 2 लाइन, हाँ।
ना कसमें है ना रस्में है, ना सिकवे है ना वादे हैं, एक सूरत भोली भाली है, दोने ना सीधे साधे हैं, दोने ना सीधे साधे हैं, ऐसा ही रूप ख्यालों में था, जैसा मैंने सोचा था, हाँ तुम बिल्कुल वैसी हो, जैसा मैंने सोचा था, हाँ तुम बिल्कुल वैसी हो, जैसा मैंने सोचा था। आगे का लिरिक्स पता नहीं।
Wow, so nice. Thank you so much अजय for such a good spirit singing. तो ये कहाँ पर है जो बिल्कुल वैसी है जैसा आपने सोचा था? इंदौर में है?
नहीं मैम, वो तो एक्चुअली घर पे अपने उड़ीसा में।
अच्छा, घर पर है, नो वरीज। ओके, ज्योतिष्णा, हाउ आर यू डूइंग? ज्योतिष्णा, आर यू देयर?
यस मैम, बढ़िया
हाँ,
बढ़िया।
कहाँ पर है आप, क्या कर रही हैं?
कुछ नहीं मैम, अभी आपसे बात कर रही हूँ, क्लास अटेंड कर रही हूँ।
अच्छा, तो तुम गाना सुना रही हो हमें?
मैम आप लोग भाग जाएंगे तो मुझे ब्लेम मत करना।
नहीं, बिल्कुल ब्लेम नहीं करेंगे, जल्दी से सुनाओ।
जगाओ।
हम्म।
मैम मैं डांसर हूँ, मुझे ये सिंगिंग का
अच्छा,
मौका नहीं
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, हमें और तुम्हें बिल्कुल एक से है। हाँ जी, सुनाओ क्विक।
जरा जरा बहकता है, महकता है आज तू मेरा तन बदन, मैं प्यासी हूँ, मुझे भर ले अपनी बाहों में, बस। थैंक यू।
अरे वाह, एकदम रॉकिंग हॉट सॉन्ग सुनाया तुमने सुबह सुबह। अच्छा चलो, सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट। लेट मी जस्ट से वंस, कनिका यू देयर? कनिका, कनिका आर यू देयर? कनिका। अच्छा, वो कौन था एक लड़का जो 2 मिनट में गाना ढूंढने गया था हमारा, क्या नाम था उसका?
यस मैम,
शिवम शिवम।
हाँ शिवम, सुनाओ।
मैम, खामोशिया आवाज है, तुम सुन लो तो आओ कभी, चुनकर तुम्हें खिल जाएंगे, घर इनको बुलाओ कभी, बेकरार है बात करने को, कह दो ना इनको जरा, खामोशिया। बस मैम।
Very nice. Thank you, Shivam, for being such a good sport. Thank you so much. Sana, I want to listen to one of your song. तुम्हारे वाईफाई आ गया है पेड़ के नीचे से सना, तुमने स्टार्ट करनी।
चली गई।
उसका नेट नहीं चल रहा अभी, उसको बताती हूँ मैं। हाँ, उसका रिज्यूमे तभी ठीक करूंगी मैं जब उसका नेट चलेगा। After last class, she's asked me a couple of questions. Okay, why don't अभी किससे मेरी बात नहीं हुई है जो यहाँ पर प्रेजेंट है? कनिका, मनीष भी, are you present? Sorry about my voice. Kanika.
Yes, ma'am. Manish here.
Manish, how are you doing?
Good, ma'am.
What's
How are you,
happening?
Nothing, ma'am. Just attending class.
Nothing. वीडियो क्यों नहीं ऑन किया तुमने मनीष वैसे?
Yeah, ma'am. Let me.
हाँ? मतलब ऑन कर रहे हो या
Yeah,
तो क्या
ma'am.
मतलब है? अच्छा, ओके, याद आ गया यार, ये बिल्कुल याद आ गई तुम्हारी शक्ल मुझे। आज तो स्माइल भी मिल गई बॉस, सबको एक एक चॉकलेट बांट रही हूँ मैं आज। मनीष मुस्कुरा दिया इसी बात पर। कैसे हैं आप मनीष?
गुड मैम।
हाँ, तुमने पिछली बार गाना नहीं गाया था, मुझे याद है।
गाया था।
कौन से वाला गाया था?
ना वो दिल चाहता है।
क्विक, दिल चाहता है। हाँ,
देख लो मैम।
अरे बिल्कुल, बका।
दिल चाहता है कभी न कभी तेज चमकीले दिल, ओ दिल चाहता है हम ना रहे कभी यारों के दिल, ओ दिन दिन भर हो प्यारी बातें। बस मैम।
Very nice. Thank you so much. God bless you, dear, for singing that. So I think I have not spoken to only Tanika and Sana का नेटवर्क जा रहा है. अजय, आपने बात कर ली थी हमसे, right? वीडियो देख लिया मैंने आपका, है ना?
हाँ मैम, हाँ मैम।
अरे श्रेया, किधर है आप? श्रेया का वीडियो चला गया. Okay, great. So let's start today with Shivani. Shivani, and then Chunky is going to speak. तुम्हारी आवाज नहीं आ रही ढंग से शिवानी हमें.
अब आ रही है?
अभी आ रही है. देखा, अब आ जाती है. तुम जब प्यार से बुलाती हो ना, तुरंत आ जाती है आवाज बाप के.
So what do I need to speak like? आपने मुझे नॉन वर्बल के बारे में बोला था.
Yes.
जो पहले एक टॉपिक था जो
हाँ.
मैंने ऑलरेडी प्रिपेयर
किया था. Why don't you speak जो तुमने उन वाले बैच के साथ जो प्रिपेयर किया था. We'll speak on that. Okay.
So I'm gonna talk about a book then.
All right. Yes. So Sana carry on. Shivani wanted to speak about a book which she's been reading. She's prepared for what we were, this is with reference to context with what we were doing with another batch, but we'll continue with her talking on that topic. Yes.
Okay. So I'm going to talk about a book, and the name of that book is Life's Amazing Secrets. Mama ko.
I bilkul oh sorry.
Okay. So, and the author of that book is Gaur Gopal Das. He's a monk, and it's a very easy read book. So you can, if you are a beginner in reading, so you can try this book out. So I started with this book only, and it's all about 4 things in life. It's like personal life, professional life, relationships, and social contributions, I would say. And it started with the journey in a car, so that's why it is called, like, every chapter says that first wheel and second wheel and third wheel. First wheel says personal life, where there are few things mentioned in that book. So let's start with the personal life then. So in personal life, it says be positive, and be grateful, and what else? Start practicing gratitude, start writing, like if you are thankful to someone and something, then
so you said they said that you should start practicing gratitude.
Right, just start thanking.
Manish, can you tell me why should we have gratitude in our life? Can you tell me, Manish?
Ma'am, gratitude because to keep ourselves calm, positive, and to keep the relationship better from the better.
To keep the relationship better, okay. To keep calm, positive. Chunky, आप क्या कहते हैं? क्यों gratitude होना चाहिए हमारी जिंदगी में? Chunky, can you unmute yourself and speak? Unmute तो करो, unmute नहीं हो रहा है तुम्हारा.
Just a second, मैम, वो नेटवर्क का थोड़ा इशू है.
अच्छा.
Gratitude, I mean, like it shows the way we respond to situation, like it reflects the basic human qualities of being thankful.
Yes. So when we are thanking someone or when we are showing gratitude, it helps to create a positive emotion. Gratitude is a very strong positive emotion. So as Manish also said, or you are saying, it makes us feel better. It creates a good experience inside our mind, which has been scientifically proven. It deals with adversity, and in the end, it improves our relationships. Yes, carry on, Shivani, sorry.
Okay, and in personal life, there is a kind of a formula where it says why worry. So if you have a solution of the problem, then why you have to worry about the problem? And if you do not have the solution of that particular problem, then why worry if you do not have the solution? So it's basically like you don't have to worry about everything. Just focus on solution. If you have solution, then fine. If you do not have solution, then fine. Just let it be. Don't worry. Don't stress your mind that much. So it's about the personal life. And I would now I'll talk about the relationships. So relationships, it's like you should use sensitive words. You should not be harsh towards other person in a relationship. Particularly, I would not say in a social life or anything. Like if you want to maintain that relationship, then you should keep things in mind, what you are saying and what you are doing. And together with, if you want to give a correction kind of feedback, then you should follow 4 principles where it says 4 questions which you should ask from yourself, that am I the right person to give the feedback, to the corrective feedback, and my motive is correct or not about the feedback, and do I know the right way? Because what happens is normally people used to give feedback, but they do not even think before saying, or they do not know the right way to say, to convey their message, and is it the right time or not? These are the 4 things which you should keep in mind before giving the corrective feedback. And yes, there are so many things other than this too, so I would not go that much far कि भाई वो bore हो जाएं सारे. So I'm gonna talk about now work life. So work life, in the work life, there should be a healthy competition, and the healthy competition means that doesn't mean that you should compete with your colleagues. What happens is we used to compare our salaries or maybe our knowledge. So you do not know the background of that person, ke usko kitna knowledge hai, how much he is into, like how much time he spent in his knowledge or something like that. So you should keep the competition healthy and compete with yourself only, like compete with the previous day you worked, like you worked for some kind of project, then just go with that or something. So start learning new things or some kind of thing, and try to find your ikigai. Ikigai is a Japanese word, so try to find that what you want to do in life, and how to work, and what will give you the money and your satisfaction, your inner peace. So you should try to find your ikigai too. And yes, now let's move to the good character in the work life only. So it has 3 things, like it's vichar, achar and prachar. So vichar says what you are thinking, what is your thought, what are your thoughts, what you are thinking about the person or maybe about the environment. Just it's
you
all
know
about
what,
vichar.
Shivan, what this book says on the thought. So जो thought होता है वो, एक second, sorry, जो thought होता है, you know, our karma, we talk about action. So that karma starts from the moment we start thinking. Thinking is an energy. Please understand, thinking is an energy which is at first impacting you, your being, and then it passes on to the other person. Because once you get impacted, your aura changes, which has been scientifically proven. हम जो भी कुछ सोच रहे हैं, whether we are thinking positive or we are thinking negative, it is going to impact our personality, our persona, our vibrations, our aura, and through that aura we kind of meet the other person. So when I go and I meet Manish there, so when Manish and me, we sit, we don't talk anything, but actually what we are doing in reality, we are exchanging energies amongst each other. right? So we have to be very careful about our thought, and we must correct it like this. It is, you need to know that you have a choice. What mistake we make is that we don't have a choice. When we tell ourselves, I don't have a choice, I have to do this because I don't have a choice. You have to understand, you always had choices in life, and today also you have a choice. You're choosing to do something, you're choosing to be there, you're choosing not to be there, you are choosing to do this course, you're choosing not to do the course. Now, even if we are making it right or wrong, end of the day, it is my decision. Yes, Shivani.
Okay. So next is Achar, which says about your action. So it is like action based on like what you're thinking, then what you're doing is something that it comes with the thinking only, as ma'am said. So it's all about actions, and Prachar is what you're displaying to the person, to the other person. If you're displaying your negative image to the person, then the other person will think that ways only, that this person is not really good, not really positive, that ways. So now let's move forward to the social contribution over here. It said like you should be like a candle, not the ice cream, where ice cream says enjoy before it melts, and candle says give light to others before it melts. So we should be selfless, and yes, that's it.
I am so damn impressed. Very nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
No, you were good. You are any which ways good. So, Sana, are you there? Is your network there with us?
Ma'am,
Yes.
I have a
Yes.
question for Shivani.
Yes.
Can I ask?
Are 100%? Let's, everybody will ask a question. Shivani, don't worry, I'm there with you. Okay, let everyone ask a question. You know, एक speaker का जो सबसे बड़ा डर होता है, I should tell you that before Nishant is going to ask question, is when the other people start asking question. पता है तुमको मनीष? जब हम बोलते हैं ना तो दिल धक धक करता है. But let's address it. I'm there. Yes, Nishant, go ahead.
Yeah, first of all, Shivani, really nice speech. I think you might have learned a lot from this book. And my question is regarding the person, the author, Gaur Gopal Das. What he's trying to do, he's trying to answer all the queries which a person wants in his life, all the answers which he wants. And I think what he's trying to do is subconsciously, he's trying to portray what kind of a Krishna consciousness is. And is it legal to change the subconscious mind for other religions?
As in, like, I didn't get
Okay.
it. Like subconscious mind about the religion.
Yeah.
So I'm not talking about the religion
No,
specifically.
yeah, that's the point now. You are not talking about the religion directly, but you are talking about the religion indirectly. Let me explain it out. Like,
Okay, please.
okay, so what this book is trying to portray me, I think it's what's all Krishna consciousness about it is, as in what you can get from being a part of a Krishna consciousness team. And that's what this ISKCON do, and that's what their model is of business, and they have been thriving a lot with that. So I just want your perspective.
Okay.
Is it a correct one or a wrong?
I would not say it's incorrect even, not the correct. It's totally up to you how you're taking it. But as for me, I took that in a general, like as a general, people are like this and they are facing problems, specific problems, like in the relationship or in a work life. And these are general things like जो सारे लोग face करते हैं normally. It's not about specific ISKCON or the गोपाल दास सर जो हमारे मॉन्क हैं, उनके लिए मैं कुछ नहीं बोल रही. इवन मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम बुक रीड करी थी.
No, I follow his channel. I really admire him. He's a really great guy. I do admire him. But is it legal to change someone's perspective? That's my point.
So what kind of perspective he changed? Like he gave the solutions to the problem.
Yeah, of course, but
I got to know about
but for a solution can be of n number of types.
Yes, it could be. it's totally up to you how you're gonna take it, how you're gonna respond to the problems, right? So it's totally up to you if you want to go with the solution which he gave, or you want to go with the solution which is in your head, right? So it's up to you. He's not forcing you to just follow his path or something. He's trying to show the path, but he's not taking you to that path. It's totally up to you. अगर आपको जाना है उस पाथ पे तो आप जाइए, अगर आपको नहीं जाना है तो आप मत जाइए, right?
Yes.
So
Yes.
it's totally
But,
not about this, not about the religion at all. And मैंने कोई specific religion नहीं बोला और उसमें भी ऐसा कुछ आया
yeah,
नहीं था.
that's the point.
Just because
That's
he
the point. That's the point.
Hmm.
Krishna consciousness. These guys are very smart. They don't try to portray what they are selling it out. Have you read the past of these Krishna consciousness people? What they try to do in New York City, they give flowers at the airport.
Mhm.
So when you give a flower to someone random in that airport, so the other person is obliged to give something in return of that. That's kind of brilliant strategy which worked for them.
I'm sorry, I'm not aware about this kind of strategy or something, and
Okay,
I am
so-
not into strategies at all. So
Okay.
I read the book, that's it. Nothing else. I learned so many things from that book. That is
Yeah.
why I'm sharing
Sure
it.
you do.
Because yes, that's it. So I would not take it as कि क्या हो रहा है, like मतलब क्या चल रहा है world में क्या नहीं. You should be positive, and as I am, तो मैं भी positive हूँ. I'm not looking at the negative side of that. उसके लिए आपको अपना mind भी negative करना पड़ेगा, अपनी सारी thinking, पूरी thinking आपको negative करनी पड़ेगी. Regardless the fact जो उसमें चीजें हैं, right? जो उसमें चीजें बताई हुई हैं, which are correct. As for me, मैं किसी रिलीजन पे बिल्कुल भी नहीं चाहती हूँ, ना मैं ऐसा कुछ है मेरे माइंडसेट में कि भाई रिलीजन इज समथिंग एल्स, किसी का पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू चेंज करना है. पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू इज समथिंग जो आपके ऊपर है, आपको चेंज करना है आप करो, आपको नहीं करना आप मत करो, राइट? सो
Thank you.
I don't want to say anything else.
The scene is, Nishant, when we talk about is it legal or it is illegal, legal and illegal is completely defined in our constitution. We don't have a say there, okay? It is defined, this is legal or this is illegal. So, and that too, talking about something, is it legal to change subconsciousness, we need to refer to the books. Now, coming to the point that what these guys are trying to do or what they are not trying to do. So what we are trying to do it here in our class, because I don't know, I have not read about it, I don't know much about it, that what Krishna consciousness, or they are actually doing it or practicing it. But one thing for sure, which I believe is that I don't know how much you've read, but I did read Bible, I did read Quran. Wherever I have read, okay, there are some values or virtues which are strong. For example, gratitude, if you talk about, so whether we are going to Gita or we are going to Bible or we are going, it is there. These virtues are common. I feel these are only different ways to reach at one place only. Or we talk about Buddha, we talk about Vivekananda. Wherever I read these, these statements, whatever we show in our training programs, it is only why we take those people, because there is more conviction to it, their belief. So we are trying to look at their belief. So I personally don't believe in any religion, although I am a Hindu, okay? And my whole family can fight with you right now. We can have a big debate upon this. As soon as I bring my husband here, it will be a different ball game altogether. So, yes, it is a wonderful strategy, what you said, that when we are giving a flower, you are obliged to do something or something in return. It is a wonderful strategy. So whoever can apply whatever strategy, whatever conversions are happening, or whatever is happening all around, we are not going to discuss that. But we are certainly going to discuss at a different road, which we don't know. When we get up in the morning, we start looking at our phone. Rather than looking at our phone, we must give gratitude to our parents, to our younger self. तुम खुद छोटे से बड़े हुए हो, तुम्हारी वो सेल्फ जिसने ये सब कुछ फेस किया है, that you are here. When we start thanking those people around us, our parents, our near and dear ones, or whoever has helped you in our life, our friends, it creates a different energy altogether within us, around us. So why I asked Shivani to share is because this was something which had influenced her, which she felt good about it. And your question is valid. You were asking her opinion. So I feel, Shivani, I must say you answered it well. And Nishant was very, polite in his question. So yes, Shivani said, if you want to follow, you follow. If you don't want to follow, you don't follow. So there's a different road which he's trying to show. So great. It was a good discussion. Anybody else has a question here? Anybody else has a question here? Manish, do you want to ask something? So Shivani, wonderful. Sana, are you there? Sana, can you unmute
Yes,
yourself?
ma'am, I am.
चलो यार फाइनली तुम आ गई हो.
Good afternoon.
गुड आफ्टरनून. वो पेड़ के नीचे से नेटवर्क निकल के आ गया.
Ma'am, हमारे area में ना there are a lot of trees, and yesterday after the rain, few trees fell on the other side, so they had to cut our Wi-Fi for a while to fix that. So otherwise हमारे area में तो it was fine.
Okay.
It was a problem. And I
Okay.
was listening to this whole conversation. It was really interesting, and I agree with Shivani also that when I heard this podcast of Beer Biceps with Gaur Gopal Das, where he mentioned that he believes that Gita is not a religion, or Hinduism is not just a religion, but it's the way of living.
Yes.
So what he has addressed in that book, I am not aware of the name of the book, but because I have heard a lot of podcasts of Gaur Gopal Das ji, I can understand what she means to
There is
say.
a book,
So,
Am I a Hindu, which says that it is
Yeah.
a way of living. Yes.
I joined a bit late, so मेरा वो वाला part miss हो गया था.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's what he mentions, that it is not supposed to be taken as a religion, it's supposed to be taken as a way of living, as a way of life, how your lifestyle should be, and how as a human should you be. And almost all religions in some way or the other are trying to teach the same thing. They're just
Very
different words used for the same ideology.
Very true. Very true.
Yes, ma'am.
So have you prepared, Sana? Can we start with
Yes,
you
ma'am,
and then
I
we
have.
move to Chunky? क्योंकि अभी तुम
Yeah, I
network में हो.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. Ma'am, so I have a PDF. Can I share that PDF
Yes,
with
please.
you?
Yes,
Yeah.
please do that. Do I need to make you a host?
No, I think if you have that access, you can play the PPT, I think.
तुम भेजो मुझे एक बार WhatsApp पे.
Sure, ma'am. Just a second. Done, ma'am.
भेजा तुमने? नहीं, मुझे ये बताओ कि I can't even see the participant list. Who is the? No, I can see you. I have made you the host. तुम्हें change करना आता है ना?
Ma'am, I know, but then I have to log in with my laptop. So just a minute.
अच्छा ठीक है, करो तुम. अब मैंने बना दिया है क्योंकि now you will have to change it later. So
Yeah. Just a moment.
so हम लोग ब्रेक कितने बजे पे ले शिवानी? 2 बजे 1:30. What do you say, चंकी? कितने बजे ब्रेक होता है आप?
सही रहेगा.
2 बजे सही रहेगा ना? ठीक है. We'll take a break at 2. Give me a minute also.